Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you for joining me. In my previous pour I used way thicker paints because I used Canella Siraco's mixture, and I thought let's do a wrecked ring pour like Molly's Artistry does it with these thicker paints. She tells me I need thicker paints for that. I'm a mess in doing ring pours, but you can't blame me for trying, right? So let's see if that will work out. She made some gorgeous ones, so I will link a part of them in the description, and also she's just an amazing artist, so check out her channel, and also of Canella, of course. So let's go with this. I will fill up my cup with the paints I have left. And I already made the white base, so let's go. Yeah, so let's fill up this cup. Starting with some white. Let's go with violet. Okay, this should be more than enough. So let's start. Okay, a lot of paint. I'm not good at deciding when it's enough, because I'm not doing this enough, I guess. The ring pours. Okay, let's just make some lines. And tilt this. Okay, coming back to the center. I feel like I don't have enough patience for this, because the lines were so pretty and then I went way too fast. I feel like. Because now they're all ripply. Okay guys, what do we think about this? When I see others do it, I think it's so gorgeous, but when I do it, I think, meh. It's also just not my style. It's so busy. So busy. I like parts of it. I think these colors are not great for this too much alike. Yeah, you know, I tried. Never again. No, I let it try, and maybe I will like it later. I don't know. Well guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next video.